It's time to get into the kitchen for Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. Angie Baselli has a special guest chef this week. It's Justin from Fresh from Florida, and they've got a Florida favorite.
Welcome to Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. We're in a Dreamfinders Homes model in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community, and I'm here with Chef Justin from Fresh from Florida with all of this amazing fresh produce and food. What are we cooking today?
That's right, Angie. I'm really excited to be here and so excited to meet you and get to work with the JAGS organization and in this wonderful model home. And of course, with great natural gas to cook on. It's amazing. So we brought some wonderful things today from Fresh from Florida.
Did you ever?
Yes, we did. We
Gorgeous.
have these wonderful East Coast shrimp here. They're just beautiful white little shrimp, perfect for our dish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little saute on these with a little garlic and a little butter. We're gonna serve them over some grilled, roasted garlic bread, and it's gonna be a phenomenal treat, maybe like an appetizer or something you could do out tailgating as well, so a lot of fun.
Well, show us how it's done.
All right, let's get started. So I have my big saute pan over here.
Yes.
And it's on medium-high heat.
Okay.
So let's go ahead, yep.
Need some grease.
We're gonna go with our butter. Get in there.
Garlic?
Yep, let's go in with the garlic.
Bring it on.
Nice hot pan, which is good.
Yum.
And then we're gonna go ahead and add our Florida shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead and get these in. A little bit of splatter.
What do you say when it does that?
Well, I like voila. This is a perfect one. I'm just gonna give this a quick flip.
Okay.
And now,
Don't try that at home.
yeah, or try it with a little practice at home. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of our herbs, a little bit of fresh oregano, and if you don't like basil and oregano, hey, use rosemary. Use what you like, use what you have.
You're right on target
A little bit of parsley. I'm just gonna roll these up a little bit.
This is what I like to see. I love using fresh herbs, but sometimes I make it more difficult. This is easy.
Yeah, this is real easy. Don't try this at home either. Make sure you always have your
I'd be
eye on
minus
the
some
knife.
fingers right
I'm
about
showing
now.
off just a little bit now. These are almost done cooking here.
This is his part for sure.
And then we're gonna finish this up with just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. It's just gonna give them another little level of flavor. We're gonna squeeze in a little fresh lemon juice.
Oh yeah, you got that trick down too.
Absolutely. Just using my hand to catch the seeds.
Nice sieve.
And then we're gonna bring over our wonderful garlic bread here that I did with a little garlic and butter and
You just
some
did
more
this on the
fresh
grill,
herbs, and I
right?
did it right on the grill. Yeah, it's gonna give it a great smoky flavor, which
That
is
looks
phenomenal. Let me give
amazing.
this one last stir. And then we're gonna bring these over. So basically, we're just gonna pile these on.
Oh my gosh.
These are peel and eat and yummy, ready to go. They've already been split a little bit.
So did people just fight over this?
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah, you might have to have a bouncer or something.
Portion control
when
here,
you pull
yes.
this one out. And there we have it, our beautiful
Very fresh from
Florida
Florida.
shrimp. That's right. Fresh,
Oh.
yummy, and it smells delicious.
For the shrimp recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments, make sure you visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.